Hello, and welcome to Go English Tutorials short story series. The Shrimp, the Starfish, and the Sea Snake Go to School by To Go English Tutorials. Deep down near the bottom of the sea, there lived a starfish named Sam. Yo! Yo! And a big shrimp named Stuart. I'm not that big. Gotta go to school. There was also a sea snake called Speedy Steve, but he was slow. He was always late for everything, even school. Fish or fishes? When he arrived, the lesson was already finished. It was recess. At recess, Speedy Steve met Stuart the shrimp near the slide. The only time that Steve moved quickly was when he was sliding. Wow, nice slide. Yo. He loved recess because it was playtime. Some of the fish liked to have staring contests, so Steve and Stuart tried one. It made Steve dizzy. Zzz. The school bell rang and everyone swam back to their classrooms. Speedy Steve was so dizzy, he just swam in circles. Hey! The end. Please subscribe to watch more videos by To Go English Tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and keep studying English.